So hi, I'm Mason Baker. I'm the Apprentice Year 2023 for Business, Retail and Customer Service. So first of all, I left school and I spoke to somebody at Careers Wales and they were like, what do you want to do? And I was like, oh, I'll do something with sport and something like that. So then they found a job at Sports Champions UK and they were like, oh, I can do an apprenticeship in customer service. So I thought, oh, I'll give it a go, and that's where I am now. So the biggest advantage of doing an apprenticeship to me was that you're not just also gaining what working a 9-to-5 job normally is. Because when I first came out of school, I didn't have a clue what one of them was, because you literally go to school, go home and go back to school. So when you do an apprenticeship, you're actually getting what a job actually is, what it entails, what you're doing here, what you're doing there. But also by doing an apprenticeship, you're also learning on the job, which I think is very important. It's given me so much by just doing the apprenticeship that I've gained more self-esteem, things like that, whereas without doing the apprenticeship I might have just been still in that same kind of cycle. So I think while doing this apprenticeship I've also gained the confidence that I didn't have before. So while I've been learning, I've also thought to myself, yeah, you can actually do something now. So by doing the apprenticeship, I've also gained the confidence to go, say if somebody says to me, would you go and give this a go? I'll be like, yeah, I've got nothing to lose, so I may as well give it a go. And I think that's what the apprenticeships helped me with a lot, my confidence and just having a go at stuff.